my final internship presentation. My name is Hemant WS, and over the past duration of 1 month, I worked as a full stack developer intern at Webstack Academy. Today, I will be presenting the project I built called HomelyHub and sharing what I learned. The internship is an intensive hands-on experience. My main goal wasn't just to learn the MERN stack, but to apply it to build a real-world project. I wanted to understand how to implement this MERN stack. It is a practical program focused on building a complete MERN stack application from scratch. The goal of the project is master the MERN stack fundamentals. The MERN stands for MongoDB, Express, React, and Node.js. Learn to build and integrate a secure RESTful API. Implement full user authentication and authorization. Manage state effectively in a complex React application. Deliver a polished production ready based application. The project requirements. The main requirement was to build a complete booking platform. This meant implementing two key user stories, a host who can list properties and a guest who can book them. Key features of this project is user registration and login. All users to view, create, and manage their own accommodation listings. Allow users to browse all properties and book them. Secure payment simulation and booking management. Finally, a user profile page with my bookings and my accommodations. At the starting stage of this internship, I learned about front end, back end, and at the front end, HTML, CSS, and the JavaScript. Firstly, I learned about the HTML. The HTML stands for the Hypertext Markup Language. It's a standard markup language for creating a web pages. Hypertext means a text within the text, a text which has a link with it is known as an hypertext. Markup language markup a text document with tags that well as a web browser how to structure the document to display. HTML is a set of the standard generalized markup language. Is an international standard ISO 8879 published in 1986 as a format for structuring and markupping documents. The HTML is used in various domains. HTML is used to create web pages. HTML is extensively used in an online solutions such as an e-commerce, banking, insurance, trading, blogging, social media, information provided by the government news, and many more. People use web browsers to access the desired websites for computer, tablet, and mobile devices. Browsers render the web pages to screen so that connect can be seen by an user. And next about the CSS, cascading styling sheet. CSS is a design language intended to simplify the process of making a web page presentable. CSS handle the look and feel part of the web page. If the HTML is a foundation, CSS is the flair. Inventor of the CSS is Norwegian Akon Lee. Next about the JavaScript. JavaScript is a programming language designed for web pages. It is an embedded directly into HTML pages, an interpreted client-side event-based language. It is a dynamic, lightweight, and case-sensitive. About the project is about the full stack. The full stack is typically refers to a developer or an engineer who is skilled and knowledgeable in working on both the front end and back end aspects of web or software development. Proficient in both front end and back end technologies and as all of aspects of the web application development. and bridging the gap between the user interface and the uh, server side operations creates a seamless user experiences and ensures the application functionality. Now talking about the front end and back end, the front end is a visible part which is visible to the user, deals with the user interface in UI UX, uh, involves HTML for structure, CSS for styling, and JavaScript for interactivity, focusing on creating an engaging and user-friendly interface. Front-end technologies like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript frameworks and libraries tools like React, Angular, and Vue for efficient development. The backend, the scenes part of the web application, handles data storage, processing the data, and server-side logic, manages the database server configurations and APIs, ensuring the application functionality, security, and performance. The backend technologies like programming languages Java, Python, PHP, Node.js, etc. Databases MySQL, PostSQL, and MongoDB, Redis, etc. Server technologies Apache, frameworks like Django, ExpressJS, etc. APIs allows communication between different software components. The mainly we used MERN for this project. I developed this project using the MERN stack. MERN stack is a popular stack because it is uses the JavaScript for everything. MongoDB is our database, Express is the API, React is the front end, and Node.js is the server environment. First, mainly talk about the MongoDB. This is a database that stores the data in a flexible document-based format. Express.js. This is a web application framework for Node.js that helps you can manage routes, handle HTTP requests, and create an APIs. Think of it as a set of tools and rules to organize your web server. And then React. This is a JavaScript library for building user interfaces. Then Node.js. This is a JavaScript runtime that always you to run a JavaScript on the server side. The project. Our project is the HomelyHub building the front end for properly renting website. It is an application where the users can manage profiles, login, view, edit their profile information and avatar, handle bookings, view the property booking. Now we directly learn about our project. This is our backend folder and this is a front end folder. Then we have to first enter to the front end file, then npm run there. It's directly connected, generate a link for directly enter to our project. Then we have to connect, enter to the backend file. Then we have to open our MongoDB Compass. We have to connect the database with our project. After connecting the database with the project, you have to type npm run there. Then run the database backend. Then we have to open our project, some HomelyHub. It is look like this. These are the this is our project. These are the places you can book in our websites. If we this is the if we select a Munnar farmhouse, this is the descriptions what this place offers. Then in the location and the extra information. If you want to book, if you want to book this This Munnar farmhouse, we can select a date at the end date, then number of guests and name and the phone number. Then login. So firstly, we have to log into our website. Then we can easily access our website. You can easily create a new user. If you are a new user, you have to create your own. If you are a new user, you have to create an account. You have to go to the start, then you have to new user, your name, then email ID, password. .com. Then you have to confirm password. Um, uh, you have to enter the phone number. Then you have to click register. After you enter this, then you have to enter again. After logging into the display, after logging, you have to select destination. If your destination is in Goa, you have to search the place. If you are need Xavier guest house, you have to select. Then you can read the description about this Xavier guest house and their pin code and what these places offers is it offers Wi-Fi, AC, and TV and the location and the extra info. If you want to book this place per night, uh, it costs about 4,500. The photos also available. You can view these rooms and outside the room, toilet, bathroom, everything is visible. Then you have to select starting date and from two and the guest maximum size is four. You have to select phone numbers, name, phone number. Book this place. It costs around 13,500. Then proceed to the it shows check-in and check-out guests and the nights you are booking and proceed the payment. After the simply slip is generated, order ID, properties which you are booking, check-in, check-out, guests and total amount. If you are able confirm this payment, it is go to directly go to the your profile my booking page. Your my profile. If you this is your profile. If you want to edit your name, you to click avatar. And if you are a you want to rent your own hotel or anything, go to my accommodations, add a new place, title of the place, address, area, city. You want to upload photos of your place, you have upload and description, and is the property type, house, room type, entire home. You want to rent a only room, you can select the amenities. You want to in your hotel the amenities which is are available. You have to select. Wi-Fi is available, kitchen is available, parking, AC, etc. I want extra info about your place and check-in, check-out timings and maximum guests, check-out time and the maximum guest price per night. Then save. After save, go to my account, my accommodations. This is our profile and I will already booked this place. This is your accommodation place. Mm, If you click this picture, it directly goes to the starting page. And if you are maximum guests around 8 members, it shows the place which have a maximum 8 members we can book. Here also filter also available, the price range and the property type and the room type, the amenities which is you are needed. Then you can select and apply filters. It shows it filters and shows the properties which you can book easily. This is the final. This is our website, and finally, I want to and the complete flow. Then our website, which building a front end a property rental website. It is an application where user can manage profiles, log in, view, edit personal information and data, and as booking a list of properties bookings, processing a payments. A complete flow of you can create a checkout sessions and making payment, verify the payment was successful. You are using React to build the pages and Redux to manage all the application data as users like info, bookings, and payment status. The architecture of this whole project is about the user browsers interest with the UI and the React. It's a React front end is built using React and the back end is created with ExpressAI and the database is created using MongoDB. And project demo it's already shown. The conclusion and future improvements. Conclusion is successfully built and full stack MERN application meeting all project requirements and achieving my internship goals. Implementing a real and in future add a search or filter feature for our properties, a refactors with a TypeScript and better type safety. And finally, I success in thanking for a WSA team for this opportunity. I would been happy to answer any questions. Thank you. I'm grateful for WSA team. Thank you.